I've created the following videos to help you get to 1 million subscribers on YouTube. And each video will focus on one milestone at a time. So for example, the next video after this video is where I'm going to talk about how to get your first 100 subscribers. And in the video after that, I'm going to talk about how to get to 1,000 subscribers. And then the next video will be how to get to 100,000 subscribers. And then finally, how to get to 1 million subscribers in the video after that. I'll also have a video in which I talk about a couple of unorthodox methods of getting subscribers if you're new to YouTube and you're trying to get your first 100 subscribers. So follow along and I'll see you in the next video, and let's talk about getting your first 100 subscribers.